Alright, let's climb up my ladder on Sprinter Kelly. So I want to show you something. So I just got these linear rails, SBR 20. SBR stands for supported rails, used in high precision industrial applications, commercial applications like CNC machines and computer platforms and such. So basically precision CNC machined rods that support it on a rail system. Then this right here, SBR blocks, got I don't know how many tiny ball bearings that's in there, but there's 4 rows of the bearings greased well, and a platform with whatever needs to be supported on top to move is supported on these SBR blocks. So I've installed this after some brainstorming because this deck here, which I love, I wanted a wider decking so that if I want to sleep on top, I have a longer lengthwise that I can sleep on. Now, being on this part of the deck, I'll have the decking boards going same directions. I'll have a platform, basically this on here, shorter version. I'll be able to roll it when I need solar panels. That part of the decking will be pushed back there, okay, during the day. Then during the night, when there's no sun out, all right, I could move that part of the deck to stargazing or to sleep on this portion. Now, if I wanted to put another solar panel, I could do that as well. I've already got 800 watts. I don't need any more. As far as my thinking right now, plenty, because my state of charge on my batteries, lithium ion phosphates, 280s, they stay 100% during the day. I could be running the AC, running a bunch of things, okay? So I don't need another solar panel. But another deck portion here would be nice. You know, additional room. Sliding back and locking in place when not in use, and sliding forward when I need to use it. And I will have to devise something to clamp the decking so it doesn't move around. Now there's these U-type of locks you can place so it limits movement one way or the other, and that's what I'll especially have on the front here. I'll have on the back to be able to move it around, but in the front it'll be, you know, permanently screwed in per se. I don't have to make any adjustments because I know where I want it to stop. So yeah, linear rail system. When I have it constructed, of course I'll share. That'll be cool, right? I haven't put rest of the screws in here because I gotta make sure the platform I'm gonna build slides nice and easily. It's got to be equidistant all the way down, okay, so it moves freely, that there's no binding. And these things are hard to bend and such, but if you're off slightly one and the other between the linear rails, it could be hard to move it along. So it's got to be equidistant. You know, precision wise, it doesn't have to be perfect for my application, but it's got to be close for ease of movement. So that's my decking and my build. I hope this helps some build outs, fan builders. If you can use this, feel free to ask me questions. Cheers.